In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to create a client dashboard in Notion. We'll start right inside Notion. Look to the very top left of your screen and click the small drop-down arrow. This opens the main navigation, which is the quickest way to get to Notion's built-in resources. From here, choose Templates. This takes you to Notion's gallery of pre-built pages, a great shortcut so you don't have to design everything from scratch. If you're directed to the Notion Marketplace, that's perfectly fine. On that page, click Templates again to view the full collection. The marketplace layout may look slightly different from the in-app gallery, but the process is the same and it all connects back to your workspace. Now use the search bar at the top and type Client Dashboard. Press Enter to see templates designed for managing clients, projects, and related information. You'll typically see a few variations, each with different structures and views. Take a moment to open the preview of any option that stands out. In the preview, scan for the core pieces you need, like a client database, project statuses, and meeting notes. Choosing a close match now will save you time during setup. When you've found the one that fits, select the template to open its detail page, then click Add. Depending on your view, this button may say Add to Notion or use this template. Notion will place a copy directly into your workspace. If prompted, confirm the destination, workspace, or team area where you want it to live so your teammates can find it later. With the template added, it's time to edit it so it reflects your workflow. Start by renaming the page to something clear, like Client Dashboard or your company's Client Hub. Open the main database inside the template and adjust the properties to match the information you track. For example, update fields for company name, point of contact, project status, contract value, key dates, or deliverables. If there are properties you don't use, feel free to hide or delete them to keep things focused. Customize the views so your most important information is front and center. Switch between table, board, calendar, or timeline, and filter by active clients or upcoming deadlines to create quick, at-a-glance perspectives. Replace any placeholder tasks or notes with your own, add your brand's icon and cover for a professional touch, and tidy any sections you don't need. As you work, remember you can always duplicate pages within the dashboard for recurring items like onboarding checklists or status reports. Once everything looks right, your Notion client dashboard is ready to use and scale with your process.